Hello, so as you can hear, I have the metronome going, and I'm going to do the Somewhere Over the Rainbow melody tutorial, saying the names of the frets, so naming the numbers, starting on the 3rd fret. So 1, 2, 3, and 5, 7, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3. I'm going to do it one more time. 3, 7, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3. Awesome. So I want you to note and be consistent with our fingers, right? So I'm trying to keep my middle finger on the 3rd fret. That way my pinky can reach for the 7th fret, and then I can be just kind of moving around this area, not trying to use one finger to play all of them. That's a little difficult, okay? So just try to stay consistent. If you want to copy my fingering, you're welcome to. If not, that's fine. I just want you to, I don't want you to be using one finger to play the whole thing. It's not very sustainable, okay? So I hope this is helpful to you. Thank you. Bye.